Alright, let's dive into something that's been making waves in the financial world recently. So, KKR, the global investment giant, just appointed Roy Gori, the former CEO of Manulife, as a senior advisor. Now, on the surface, this might seem like your typical corporate move, but personally, I think there's a lot more to unpack here. What makes this really interesting is the timing and the strategic focus on Asia-Pacific and global financial services. KKR isn't just bringing in any advisor, they're bringing in someone with decades of experience in insurance, wealth management, and retail financial services across multiple continents. This raises a deeper question: why now, and what does this signal about KKR's future moves? From my perspective, this appointment is a clear indicator that KKR is doubling down on its global financial services ambitions, particularly in Asia-Pacific. The region is a hotbed for growth, with rising middle-class populations and increasing demand for financial products. But here's the thing: Asia-Pacific is also one of the most complex markets to navigate, with diverse regulatory environments and cultural nuances. That's where Gori's expertise comes in. Having led Manulife's operations across 12 markets in Asia, he's not just a strategist, he's a proven executor in this space. What many people don't realize is that success in Asia-Pacific often requires more than just capital, it requires deep local knowledge and relationships. One thing that immediately stands out is Gori's track record at Manulife. During his tenure as CEO, he spearheaded a strategic transformation focused on digital innovation and customer-centric growth. This isn't just about selling more policies, it's about reimagining how financial services are delivered in a digital-first world. If you take a step back and think about it, this aligns perfectly with KKR's broader strategy of investing in technology-driven platforms. What this really suggests is that KKR isn't just looking to expand its footprint, it's looking to redefine the financial services landscape in Asia-Pacific and beyond. Now, let's talk about the broader implications. KKR's move to bring Gori on board isn't just about tapping into his expertise, it's about signaling to the market that they're serious about competing in a space dominated by traditional players. A detail I find fascinating is how this appointment reflects a larger trend in the industry: the convergence of asset management, insurance, and technology. KKR's insurance arm, Global Atlantic, is already a significant player, but with Gori's guidance, they could become a game-changer in distribution models and partnerships. In my opinion, this is more than just a strategic hire, it's a statement. KKR is positioning itself as a leader in the next wave of financial services innovation, particularly in emerging markets. But here's the kicker: success won't come easy. The financial services sector is fiercely competitive, and regulatory challenges in Asia-Pacific can be daunting. Personally, I think Gori's role will be less about advising and more about orchestrating KKR's entry into new markets and verticals. What makes this even more intriguing is Gori's background in both insurance and wealth management. These two sectors are increasingly intertwined, especially as consumers demand more holistic financial solutions. By leveraging Gori's expertise, KKR could create synergies between its asset management and insurance businesses, offering something truly unique in the market. So, what's the takeaway here? From my perspective, KKR's appointment of Roy Gori is a bold move that underscores their ambition to dominate the global financial services space. It's not just about growth, it's about innovation, market leadership, and strategic foresight. If you take a step back and think about it, this could be the beginning of a new era for KKR, one where they redefine what it means to be a global investment firm. But here's the question I'll leave you with: in a world where financial services are rapidly evolving, can KKR leverage Gori's expertise to stay ahead of the curve, or will they face challenges that even a seasoned leader like him can't overcome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this.